idea.
What's that, Nick?
Hey, Nicholas, here's something that's cute for Chloe.
They can play Spider-Man beat Star Wars.
Ooh.
Ah! Mommy?
Look, this is cute for Chloe. You could play music.
Hi, Chloe.
She's pouring stuff in cups.
Uh-oh.
Cake and brownies. Thank you.
Oh, oh, what a nice little girl.
Star
You're
Wars
so
sword.
sweet. Hey, spider blockhead. Chloe, you're so pretty.
And here's your sword. Here's your sword.
Hold on, buddy. I'm taking a video. I can't fight you and take a video at the same time. Spider-Man doesn't use a lightsaber. He uses a web. Luke Skywalker uses a lightsaber.
Well, I'm waiting for you, Oof.
Buddy. Buddy, don't do that. Go get Nicholas, Chloe. Get him. Get him, Chloe. Stay in here, buddy. Stay in here. He's a chicken. Get the girly man.
Put that back. No, you cannot have a bake right. You need to go play.
Come here, Chloe.
Go play and talk, honey.
Come here, honey. Come in here. There's Chloe.
Daddy, you be Luke and I be... Dad, you be Luke and I be Spider-Man.
Oh no, Luke doesn't fight Spider-Man. Luke fights Darth Vader.
Darth Vader, I don't have a Darth Vader mask.
I told you should have been Darth Vader for Halloween.
Where they have no Darth Vader costume.
Yes, they do.
Where?
The costume store.
They can't get this lightsaber, we'll fight.
Chloe, give me that. Where'd you get that cord? Bring that to Daddy.
She got all the
Bring it to
way
Daddy.
there.
Bring it to Daddy, honey.
Ah,
Bring it to Daddy. Thank you.
yes.
Thank you, sweetie.
We'll fight. Let me see the doofus.
You're a doofus.
If I needed a doofus, call me. Doofus family.